So I'm currently taking refuge in my air-conditioned Passat because it's 81 degrees in San Diego right now. So I'm gonna drive for DoorDash today, but here's the thing. There's really not any, well, there's not any earning incentives today. No per delivery bonuses, no streak incentives. So let's find out if your marketplace doesn't have earnings incentives on DoorDash. What's the best way to drive? Should you drive? How much money am I gonna make? Is it even gonna be worth it? Let's find out. So there's my first order, $6.50. It's not extravagant. Took me a second to even accept it, but I did take it because of the miles. It is paying a little bit more than $1 per mile. Remember, $1 per mile, that's an average. So for this order, I'll take it. All right, let's take a quick pause right now. I got another order actually, but it's been super busy. Now, because of that, here's the thing, is you're gonna have longer wait times at restaurants. That first set of orders, I was waiting at that taco place for like 15 minutes. So that's really gonna eat into your orders per hour and ultimately your dollars per hour if you're sitting at a restaurant waiting. Well, what started as a video with no incentives, check out what's happening right now. A $2 incentive until 7, another $1 incentive until 9. This happens. This is why it may be interesting to try and just schedule shifts. If you feel like it's going to be busy at some point that night, you'll see incentives pop up. It'll say, hey, keep driving during this time to earn an extra $1 or $2. Check out these orders we just got. I just finished an order and I got a $10+ order and a $12+ stacked delivery as well. So what was starting as an uneventful, let's say, drive on no incentives has turned into possibly some big pay. Let's go get these orders. Well, this is turning into some kind of day, guys. I finished an order. We got this $10 order, and then immediately I get a $12 stacked order for just 0.8 miles. Talk about a no-brainer. So let's take a look at some of the numbers and see exactly how this pretty crazy day went as far as revenue. So I took my first order at 4:30 p.m. and basically just drove like a normal shift, 4 hours until 8:30 p.m. And the big number we really want to look at, that's gross revenue, a pretty impressive $96.29. That equals $24.07 in gross dollars per hour. And as far as the total deliveries, I kept right around the average that I see on delivery platforms. I did a total of 9. And continuing the trend that I've been seeing recently, a good amount of tips. I received 9 tips. And the total tip revenue, that was $37.04, or about 39% of total revenue. And on average, each tip was about $4.12. And the total business miles while conducting those deliveries was 32.3 miles. Multiplying that number by the standard IRS business deduction of 54.5 cents per mile, that gives us a tax deduction of $17.60. So let's take that tax deduction, $17.60, and subtract that from gross revenue, $96.29. That equals our total net revenue of $78.69. Dividing that revenue by our 4 hours of driving, our net revenue per hour was a pretty impressive take-home pay of $19.67. I gotta say, for a shift that I didn't think was gonna be anything special, starting the shift with no earnings incentives and getting into those busy hours, really 5:30 onwards, and having DoorDash add more and more delivery incentives, this turned out to be an exceptional night. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. What do you think of this shift today? How did I do? And if you've enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like, click or tap the screen now for my most recent video, and I'll see you in the next one.